Well, the past couple of days, the boys have been working through the sanding and the fairing to 26 hull, going through the process of prepping the surfaces for primer. Scotty had some blocking and fairing to do on the transom. Just getting that knocked out. Then we'll roll this into the spray booth and get it in primer. It's all in the 45s. DD and Scotty beginning to wipe down the 26. Initial wipe down. Get this place a little cleaned up. We're going to remove the gunnel cap, set that up right next to the hull, and we'll get them both in primer at the same time. We are going to have to prime the hull one more time. What we're going to do is lay on a few coats of 545. Since this is an epoxy laid up boat, you always run into pinholes with an epoxy layup. With the gray primer, we'll be able to see the pinholes. We'll give it a tight skim and then prime it one final time. And she'll be ready for paint. Well, Scotty's already going. Imagine that. A little teamwork. Here we go. Michael and Bo are blocking out the 26 hull. Bo gave it a tight skim this morning to fill in any of the pinholes. Epoxy's always prone to pinholes. So this goes in, skims the whole surface. Whatever's there is there. 99% of that will all end up being sanded off. However, we'll be sure that everything's filled. Bo is running over the bottom with 80. The boys are hitting the side with 180. Since we're putting a bottom system on this, we want to roughen the surface up more with a heavier grit. What we have here is a full-on press. The boys are all working together to get multiple parts ready for a final primer. This is the console to a 26 Barretto Cove. That is the hull. This is 16.7 Boston Whaler Restoration. That is the hard top to the 26. This is the gunnel cap to the 26. All these parts are being prepped for final primer. So we can go into next week. It's going to include a colossal amount of painting. There's no I in team. But as Scotty says, there's Metan in team. What we have here is a number of parts, I believe. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the gunnel cap 5 parts that are prepared, have been washed, detergent washed, solvent washed, and they are now ready for the application of final primer, which is Awlgrip's 545 epoxy finish primer. This is a fine finish primer. Not only is it epoxy based, it sands beautiful, it is the base for putting down any Awlgrip top coat. What we'll be using for the application is spray gun that I really got to love. This is the 3M, what they call it, the Aqua Spray. We love this. We'll also be using the PPS system. We normally never reduce 545. It's almost like the perfect consistency to shoot out of a 1.6 tip. 1.4, it can get a little dusty on you. 20 to 30 minutes to apply all the coats, to apply each coat to all the parts. That being said, I should be able to just continue. In other words, just keep going. What started 7 hours ago, and underneath here 6 gallons, mixed gallons of Awlgrip 545 finish primer. I applied 3 extremely wet coats on each part. These parts are all in final primer. The hard top, the console, the hull, and the gunnel cap. What the boys are doing here is it's a final skim. Just skimming any slight little imperfection pinholes. I've already edged it. 320. Get it blocked. And these parts will be ready for paint. What we have here is the console. We are getting the console in paint as so. We can get the console assembled. That T-top pipe work is complete. We can get the T-top on it, hard top. We can actually start rigging the console. I just laid down 3 coats of Awlcraft 3000 stark white and 3 coats of Awlcraft 3000 straight clear. Let this tack up overnight. I'm gonna move Scotty in here with the gunnel. He's gonna get that painted. And I'm gonna paint the hull over in the fiberglass shop. What we have here is fast times. All prepped, ready for paint. We'll be painting this vessel in an Awlcraft 3000 clear coat in a custom color, LZ, ELZEY, custom blue. We'll be applying it to the hull as well as the hard top. This is a custom mix color, LZ custom blue. The white we used is a stark white. So stay with us. Let the painting begin. A little Scotty Van Boezelstein action. I believe this is his last coat. This is the gunnel cap to the 26. I'm in the other spray booth painting the hull with a 26. Getting it done with Awlgrip coatings. All part. Taking it in the tan. Well, what Scotty and I are figuring out here is how much pearl, blue pearl, do we want to add to the clear coat. We want to make this thing pop a bit. See exactly how much we want to add because we don't want to change the color at the same time. We definitely would like to see a little bit of pearl in this. It's a great color for pearl. All right, going in to lay down the first coat of clear, which we loaded up with some blue pearlescence. We'll make the pearl pop a bit. just completed the coating process. We applied 4 coats of the base color of Awlcraft 3000. We then applied 1 coat of Awlcraft 3000 with a little bit of pearl in it. Capped off with 2 additional straight coats of Awlcraft 3000 clear. To say that we are in the middle of a paint marathon is a bit of an understatement. Over the past few days, we have painted the gunnel cap, we've painted the hull along with the console and hardtop. Well, I have to go in and put the final coat on the boat that's in the spray booth. Meanwhile, the guys got the hardtop prepped. First thing we'll do is I'll put a nice wet coat of the straight color. I'll get the non-skid applied and throw a coat of clear over the non-skid.